Oh my gosh, it's too windy to fly. It's so windy. Whew, it's been a long time since I've flown. It's been a couple weeks. Oh my gosh, it is so windy. I'll start. I did it. I landed in it. Yeah, that was fun. Oh. Right in the face. Yeah, it's a little hard for you guys to catch it when it's zipping around, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
you're trying to destroy my drone. I'm just trying to have fun.
I don't want to destroy it. I just want to get it.
You do want to destroy it, little
no, I don't.
booger. Oh, look at that. It'll fly sideways. Oof. Battery's down. Ah, it's so windy. Alrighty, I thought I would do a little what's in my bag because I'm taking this bag with me everywhere. To other states and on airplanes. I just bring it with me on airplanes as a personal carry-on or throw it in the car or whatever, and it takes my little stuff. It's just a basic Amazon Basics camera bag. So in it I've got my Jumper T20 radio, and then Walksnail goggles here, Goggles X. The battery just kind of folds up in there nice. And then I'll usually bring two whoops with me. So I got two 75mm 1S Walksnails. Sometimes I'll throw in an open prop, or I'll take, if I go on a trip, I'll bring a 2S 4K Walksnail with moonlight. And then I'll bring batteries in there, and I have this little 3D printed thing so I can see. I flew these 4 batteries already, so these are discharged, and then I know. Helps me keep track of things. So that's what's in there, and then I'll keep a little snack in case, if a little old Game Boy in case I want to play some games if I'm waiting around. And usually I'll have ND filters in here, cleaning cloth. And then in the front pocket I keep my Part 107 license and press pass, and then I keep a little knife baggie here full of just the little tools you need. A little charger, a 1S charger, 2S charger, a screw, some extra props, screwdrivers, some little battery converters. Most of the things I'd need in a pinch. Any repairs beyond that, and I gotta do them. And then I'll keep cables and charging supplies on the sides. I've got a pair of headphones, and I think I got a charging cable on this side. Some oil wipes, and then up in this pocket I keep more charging cables. You always need a ton of cables. But yeah, that's what I bring with me in my bag. Oh, and I always record audio on this guy, DJI Mic 2. It's a great little guy. It sounds great. It's easy to do. Just press record and you're off to the races. That's what's in my drone bag. Ah! Oh, I busted something. Okay, fine. There's no way I can perch up here with this one, right? No, just kidding. Quick little repair out here in the field. It's these little white ones.
Okay. Ooh, I see the one that's missing. Well,
Light. Well, I just replaced those ones. Did a quick little repair.
okay.
Okay. Little baggie of screws just for that kind of stuff. Right, that's funny. Zoom. Out battery. Dang.